Take a second and let this sink in. A few videos ago, you just had an idea, maybe even a what if. Now you have a full plan. You've mapped it, tested it, and seen exactly how it works in real life. That's something most people never do. So really, take a second and be proud of that. You've already done the hardest part, turning a dream into data. Now you know what your business does, what it earns, what it costs, and what it needs to give you the life you actually want. That clarity is powerful. It means every decision you make from here comes from facts, not guessing. You can look at your business and know what's working, what's next, and what truly matters. Let's pull everything together into one simple page, your personal snapshot of what success looks like. Look at your forecast and ask, what specific goals or milestones came out of this? Maybe it showed you need 2 new clients a month to hit your income goal. Maybe you can leave your job by spring if things stay on track. Maybe you reach your enough number once revenue hits $6,000 a month. Write those big goals on your goal tracker sheet, the ones that actually matter. Next to each, write how reaching it will make you feel, not just what it changes in your schedule, but what it means to you. For example, maybe it's confident you can rely on yourself and your business. Maybe you'll feel free to spend your time how you want. Or maybe you'll feel peaceful with no more constant money stress. And hopefully you feel proud that you built this from an idea. These are the feelings that keep you showing up when things get hard. Your why behind every number. Keep this one paper somewhere you'll actually see it. Maybe on your wall, on your laptop, or inside your planner. It's your reminder of where you're going, why it's worth it, and what to focus on to get there. Your forecast isn't a one and done document, it's a living tool. As the months pass and real numbers come in, update it. If you sign 1 new client instead of 3, update it. If marketing cost way less than you thought, update that too. Every time you do, the plan adjusts and becomes more accurate. That's not a failure, that's feedback. It's how you stay proactive instead of reactive, seeing trends early, catching problems faster, and planning smarter. Do this monthly, it'll keep your goals aligned and your confidence high. Now that you've got the full picture, the plan, the proof, and your next steps, your focus is keeping it alive. That means staying connected to your numbers, knowing what's real each month, what's working, and what needs to shift, and turning this plan into your reality. Because here's the truth. A great plan only works if you can track it. Most businesses don't fail because the idea was bad. They fail because no one's watching the numbers closely enough to see what's really happening. That's exactly what we help people do every day. Our training and support programs are built to help you take your proven plan and turn it into reality, helping you understand your numbers, make smart decisions, and stay on track as you grow. You've already proven your idea can work. Now let's make sure it keeps working month after month and year after year. You'll find the next steps linked below this video, everything you need to move from planning to building with confidence. You've proven your idea can work. You know what it takes and what it gives you back. Whether you keep building on your own or join us for the next stage, you've already done something incredible. You took a dream and made it make sense. Now you get to go build it for real.